darkness is over the face of the deep. And the Spirit of God was hovering over the face of the waters. And then God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. And then God said, "Yes."
Isn't that just a big fat lie? I mean, you think it has some magical power over the universe?
Why, you have a better explanation?
Well,
Of course you don't. But just to prove you wrong, whoever is incorrect will write standards.
how many times?
100!
What we have to write about?
We will have to write the whole Bible!
Oh, it's meanie.
Bring it! Okay, class, today we will be learning about the Stone Age, where the primitive people lived off the land. Since the beginning of time. Yes.
Mr. Pookie, what's the beginning of time?
We are not at that unit yet. You'll just have to wait.
Even for 20.
Okay, you got me. But we are never speaking of this again. Okay, class, I have decided that we will start on the beginning of the universe. There are many different theories on the beginning. The most believable and scientifically acceptable is the Big Bang. There is another one that is a bit harder to guess that is based on Einstein's theory. One other one is...
Wait, what did you say?
One other one is...
No, before that.
There is one based on Einstein's theory.
No, before that.
The most believable one is the Big Bang.
Thank you, Mr. Pookie. I have to go ask my dad something.
Wait! Class isn't dismissed yet!
Dad, can I tell you? What is that?
I just built the first working time machine. Want to try it out? It can go back as far as you like.
Sure, but when was the beginning of our universe?
About 14 billion years ago.
Great! Then take me to the 3,999,997,992 BC.
Okay! Here's the return switch. And, okay.
What's going on? Where are all the stars and planets? This is how I pictured it. The Big Bang is coming.
Ah! I'm okay.
What happened to the big explosion?
I'm no silly explosion. I'm just a little dude becoming bigger and fatter, kind of like you.
Hey!
I created you. This is so not worth putting Earth out here.
Please!
Fine, just promise me that you'll lose weight. Now, I'm out of here.
Hang on.
You have your proof?
Why are you dressed like that?
I thought it might make you feel a little more nervous.
Okay. Well, I have my proof.
So?
I did my research and I found out that the universe started off infinitely small and kept growing. The growth was called the Big Bang. It started expanding to become so big, it keeps growing, so there's no limit of the universe. God might have set out the Big Bang, but he did not suddenly set out light, night, water, or the skies out of nothing. Nobody knows exactly what this tiny star was, but I do know that you're wrong!
But...
Here's your Bible. Here's your 20 notebooks. Whoa! You're gonna need them all. Oh, and pencil. Have fun.
I hate my job. I chose to do my project on the Big Bang because it was the most mysterious. Unlike stars and planets, we don't have any pictures. But don't call the Big Bang phony. We know it existed because it is a singularity. A singularity is an unseen event that explains our knowledge of physics. My story was about a boy who discovers many things while trying to prove his priest wrong. During this project, I made many discoveries of my own. I learned about the universe's limit, what the Big Bang really was, and how we know. This project had a great effect on my knowledge of astronomy. I also enjoyed making this clip because it was more of an activity than an assignment. I hope my effort in this project has informed you too.